Algebra 2 practice problems for 2.4 graphing equations of a line. Just remember, guys, always start at the y-intercept. All right, so here's the y-axis, here's the y-intercept, -5. So we're going to start right there. There's your first point. Then you follow your slope. All right, here's your slope. 2 over 3, so we go up 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3. There's the next point. All right, up 1, 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Connect it with a line. There's that line. All right. Number 2. Alice, you guys can do 2. Just remember, 3. If we have a whole number, you can think about that as a fraction over 1. So if I started at +5, right, there's the y-intercept right here. And so my slope is down 3 over 1. Down 1, 2, 3 over 1. Down 1, 2, 3 over 1. Down 1, 2, 3 over 1. There's your line. There we go. You guys can do the next couple. Number 5. Let's just show you guys this one. Some students get confused here. Just remember, x is always -5. So if you put a few values, right, a few ordered pairs, -5 and 0, -5 and 1, how about -5 and -5? All right, if I were to plot these points out, -5, 0, that's right here. -5, 1, that's right here. -5, -5, that's right here. What does that create? A nice vertical line. All right. 7 through 9 looks like we're graphing through the x and y intercepts. So again, we're just going to cover one up and solve the equation, right? Divide by -3, divide by -3. You're left with y is equal to -4. All right, now you can do the same thing to figure out the x-intercept, plugging in 0 for y, so it's essentially eliminated, and then divide by 2, left with x is equal to 6. And then we just plot these out. -4 is here, +6 is here, connect them with a line, there we go. All right, 8, 9 look about the same. I don't think you guys need help with that. 10, 11, 12, those look all pretty similar. Let's do 11, or at least show you guys how to do this. Well, if we're doing this through intercepts, if I were to cover up the y term or plug in 0, if you want to say that, well, x is equal to 5. Oh, that one's already solved for us. So x is equal to 5, that's right there. Now plug in 0 for x, and just solve this equation. -5y is equal to 5, so just divide by -5 on both sides, and I'm left with 1y is equal to -1. And there we go. Connect those 2 points with a line, and you're good. All right, the last section is graph by any method. So on the test, I don't think I have a specific way. It just might be easier to graph with the x and y intercepts. Might be easier for some to put into slope-intercept form and solve the old-fashioned way. Number 3, or 13, I should say, seeing how I see that 2 is not, we're not going to be able to divide 3 by 2, so I might as well just go ahead and put this into slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. And I'm left with -2y is equal to -3x plus 8. And I want to get this equal to a +1y, so I need to divide everything by -2. And I'm left with y is equal to 3 over 2 positive minus 4. And then we can plot that out. Number 14, I will go ahead and use x and y intercepts for that one if I were you, but you don't have to. Number 15, probably easier if you go ahead and convert that into slope-intercept form. So basically solve for y. All right, this was a quick video, but there's not a whole lot of questions, and I think a lot of this will be review for you. If not, come see me on my Google Meet. Good luck.